Hey there, car enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about a crucial aspect of your vehicle's performance, the dual mass flywheel. Specifically, we'll discuss whether a worn-out dual mass flywheel is considered good or bad condition. I have two flywheels. On the left is bad, and on the right is good. Now I'm going to show you how it should be checked. But first, please subscribe and like. First, check the teeth of the flywheel do not break or knock anywhere. If the flywheel's teeth are demagged, the flywheel should be changed. Now let's check the flywheel looseness. To make it easier to see the looseness, mark with a marker as shown video. Flywheel looseness should not exceed 2 teeth from the marked line. If the looseness exceeds this norm, means the flywheel is bad or is about to fail. When turned in both directions, it must be swayed to the original position. The click must be stiff not to hang anything and not to get stuck. On the flywheel on the left side, I show how it should not be and how the flywheel should not stumble. Truth be told, the right side flywheel is completely dead here, but as an example fits well. So move and make a sound it cannot. The top of the flywheel with your hands pressed back and forth if it moves flywheel bad. Such a stumbling block cannot be at all. Try to make such a bad flywheel see that he klubed and strong. When there is such a stumbling vibration appears in the car. It may not emit any sound but simply vibrate, and the vibration can be so strong that even the engine itself will shake very hard. Now check if there is a stumbling up and down. Here the clatter can only be minimal, so that I do not hang anything and do not emit sounds visually. The clapping is almost invisible. On the left side we can see that there is also a sound when stumbling and visually you can see how strongly the clatter. Turning the sides to make that clabble seize better. Always before checking the flywheel. From it you need to blow dust off the clutch, then you will see the real tangle of the flywheel. Then you need to inspect the working surface of the flywheel. There can be no such blue spots as we can see on the left side. This means that the flywheel has been overheated. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe, and you will see many more useful videos.